Today I want to talk about the trends and themes that Threekit is seeing in the building products and furnishings industry. The first takeaway is CIOs and CEOs are facing a decision between front-end digital transformation or back-end improvements in ERP and CPQ. But we're seeing a lot of CEOs and CIOs make the decision to move towards more front-end transformation because it's, for a lot of people in the industry, ease of doing business is critical right now. Become easier to do business with for building owners, homeowners, designers, architects, dealers, and ultimately, you have a very big prize, which is going to be more revenue and more margin. A second big theme we're seeing is companies having difficulty with the cascading logic of traditional CPQ. Imagine if you're a door manufacturer and you've got a customer who cares a lot about light coming through that door. If that's the thing they care about most, that is the thing they care about most. But sometimes various configurators are forcing either the pro or the dealer or even the homeowner to make decisions about things like what material is the door? Is it metal? Is it glass? Is it wood? And these sometimes don't align with what the actual person needs. And the final theme we're seeing in the industry is actually one that's always been there. Every single project is totally unique. What one homeowner wants from a front door is actually very different from what their neighbor wants, because every human is different. And yet, sales teams often just say, I sell what I always sell. And so there's a huge gap here right now, which is basically to say, that salesperson or dealer or pro could have sold a better fit product for more revenue and more margin and explained it better and got a happier customer for you, the manufacturer of the product. It's also an industry that remains surprisingly strong and resilient despite interest rates being nearly 7% and mortgages being very high. While the homes aren't being built to the extent everybody wants, the industry remains really strong, driven by consolidation, driven by, frankly, a lot of technology changes.